Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how I do my hair waves. I'm going to show you some pictures on like when I actually do my hair waves. And a lot of people have been asking me how I do them. And I think a week before I turned 21, I dyed my hair. So this is why my hair is like somewhat brown. The max amount of time I take on doing my hair with the wave maker, it's like 30 minutes. And like, this is the hair waver. I'm not gonna touch it because it's on, and it's by Amika. You can get this at Sephora, but not all Sephoras have it. But I ordered mine online, and thanks to my boyfriend, like, I got this. The price for this is $120, and it's like, I guess it's kind of expensive, but I feel like it's so worth the price because this is bad, but I kind of like do like hair waves like every single week, or like 3 times a week. Sometimes I know that's bad, but like I just love how my hair looks when I do like hair waves. So enough of the chatting, and let's just start with the tutorial. Okay, so the first thing I do is obviously I brush my hair. I start brushing from the ends, making my way up. My hair gets so frizzy when I brush it. So frizzy. And to be completely honest with y'all, I'm not the best at taking care of my hair, but I want to take better care of my hair. But I just don't know what products to use. Like, I don't know any good hair products that will help with my hair. So honestly, I just use like random stuff. So the heat protector I use is by Tresemme. It's this one. I also use the L'Oreal leave-in conditioner. And now to separate my hair, I go towards the end of my brow and also the other brow and just separate. So now you can see like the bottom half of my hair. And I brush that again. You just gotta make sure there's no knots in your hair. Here, as you can see, I don't know if you can see that, but it's like 200. So it's in 200 degrees Celsius. Okay, so I take around an inch. And it's super easy. Just wait like 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then move down. And as you can tell, it already made like a wave. And it's honestly super easy. Like, with just a bit of practice, you're gonna be able to like make beautiful waves. I just move down. Make sure you move like a lot down because it does create like really like long big waves. So just make sure. Then I'm getting on the end already. See the end? I honestly just hold that like for probably like 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and that's it. Look how beautiful that wave looks. Look how like shiny the hair looks once I finish doing the wave. It's so simple, honestly, and I think anyone can do it. Like, if you do like curls or if you straighten your hair, doing these waves is easier than anything. And it looks so beautiful. I love it. Okay, and obviously if you take like a bigger section of the hair, it's gonna be more natural looking. It's not gonna be as wavy. So I just do like different varieties. So I can give it big pieces. I sometimes get small pieces. I just like the different types of waves. Just depend like what your preference is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Move down till you see no waves, and then you go back. I just really love this wave maker. Hasn't failed me. So, and I know there's I know Amazon sells like a pink wave maker, and I was gonna buy that one. I think it was like around $30. I'm pretty sure it was like around $30. I was gonna buy that one, but I saw a YouTube review about it, and for her, the wave maker stopped working after like her third use or her second use. And so I was like, never mind, I'm not gonna buy the one from Amazon, because what if I end up buying it and then it doesn't end up working? But for some other people, it has like worked perfectly, and it hasn't like happened, like it hasn't stopped working for them. So just depends on you if you wanna invest your money on this wave maker. I feel like you should. If you really want a good wave maker, I feel like this is perfect. Just takes practice. At first I was like, oh my gosh, my waves don't look that good, but with time, with practice, they look pretty damn good. Okay, so I always go towards the middle. Like I open a wave maker, put it in the middle, and then go my way up. Sometimes I find it hard to just start putting it up for some reason. Just makes it harder, so I just open the thing, open the wave maker, go my way up, and start there. Here's todo el humo. Oh, the smoke. You ain't about that smoke. Shoot. So, there. I'm probably gonna speed up the rest. Look at this half side of my hair, and look at this. I open the wave maker, go towards the middle, and go my way up and close it. Now this side is done. That literally just took like 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes. So easy. So for the top part of my hair, you're not gonna use the wave maker over here. You're gonna start like where your brow starts. So you're gonna put the wave maker here, so it can look more natural. So I'm gonna show you how I do my bangs. Again, for this part, you can grab like bigger sections. You don't have to grab small sections like the bottom part. So let me just brush that a little. Let me lower it. For this part, again, you don't need it as high. So let me lower it a little. Okay. So like where your brow starts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3. There you go. That's like the bang or the fringe, whatever they call them. Brow piece haven't done. Oh, that brush that piece. Okay guys, so I'm done with this side of my hair, and see how pretty it looks. I love it. I really love how it looks. Oh my gosh. It feels like natural looking curl. Even if you make mistakes with this wave maker, I feel like it's still gonna look good. You won't be able to tell any mistakes you do. Except how pretty it looks. As long as you don't do the top of your hair, I feel like you should be good. Like if you don't do the roots, 'cause that makes it look so natural. Perfect. And just to turn it off, you hold it on for like 5 seconds and it turns off. And also the good thing about this wave maker is that the cord right from the bottom, it twists, so like it moves around, so that's really good. Look how it looks. It looks so beautiful. This is the final look, guys. And what I've done before with this look is I've done like braids. You can add like a clip and it looks like beautiful. You can do so many things with this, so yeah, but I like it to keep it like this, simple. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and follow me on my social medias. It's at Galaxy S Queen, Twitter Galaxy S Queen, and I made a TikTok. It's like Mary Rico. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy this. Make sure you click on the notification bell so you can know when I upload new videos. Yeah guys, thank you for watching, and I hope to see y'all next time.